a life of computer or language of computer. Meanwhile, computer is very important in education to each and every person or to each and every human being, because in every field computer is going to use, and in nearest future this education is very essential, because nowadays computer has become important to every human being, human life. Within some days or within some year, computer is going to use in every field. Nowadays computer is going to use in an organization for work, in-house, like theater, audio, video, to online payment, watching movies, playing games, private business like recharge stores, online EMI, online lottery, mini store, medical store, kirana stores, hospitals, education, banking sector, government offices, marketing. There are some advantages of also this computer. It's increase of productivity, connect to world via internet, can store more and more data and reduce the wastage, get better understanding to data, share data between or among the different users, getting hard copy or print or photography, increasing the speeds of work, accurate data, storage capacity. To communication between human being and computer need a language or some languages, and those languages called computer programming language. A data is a collection of information of table. A database is a collection of information of table. A database is collections of data table. Data table display information in a grid. Data table is collections of set of data in grid. Data is distinct pieces of information, or we can say data is collections of information. SQL server is a structured query language. It's totally backend. It's using for backend data application, which is used to create, select, display, update, delete data, to delete the data also from the database in a database, or store in data in a database. We can create a database. First of all, we need to click on query. After that, we need to create a database. To create a database, we need to type create database, whatever database name, like British.com. After that, we need to create a table. We can type to create a table. Before this, we need to use that database which we have or we have already made from our site. Like now we have created the database, like create a database British.com. So we need to select this database for our more work, or after this work. So we need to select that database. To select that database, we need to type the word like use database, use database British.com. After that, we need to create a table. So we'll create a table that we need to type create table like employee. We need to take it in bracket, like whatever we need to type the details in table, just like employee number. Employee number should be integer, like int, comma. Employee name, it should be a varchar. Varchar should be whatever will be range. That varchar range should be depends on that word, how many words you are going to use in the varchar, how much long name you want to store in this database. So you need to take that varchar. So employee name varchar in bracket, as I have given the 50, comma, employee address varchar. Again we need to give the some numbers, like varchar I have given for address 60 characters. After that, employee salary should be always in float, because sometimes salary like 15,255 rupees or whatever, it should be in float, because whenever dot will come, then we need to give in float. It should be always in float. So after that, employee salary float, close bracket. After that, we need to like store the values in a table. Now we need to select this all things. If we select that all things, like create, from create to bracket, and if we do F5 for run the program. After run the program, we'll get the output empty table only. Empty table. And after that, we need to store the values for that table. To store the values, we need to type insert into values table name, like employee details. After that, employee details values in bracket, like our employee number is int, so employee number we will take 001, comma, employee name. Employee name should be whatever would be the employee name, like Krishna. It should be in single inverted. Should be single inverted. After that, comma. Employee address, like it should be Kalyan. It should be also in a single inverted. After that, comma. After that, employee salary. Employee that should not be in a double input or anything. We need to type only 001 or whatever would be the employee number, and payment should be at like 27,542 rupees something, 542 something, whatever would be. And we need to select these all things, and after select this from bracket to insert into values, up to insert into values, we need to press F5, or we need to run the program from then we'll get the output. Now we have stored one row in a table. Automatically one row and columns will be shown in our database. Like we can add more and more rows in our table, and automatically we'll get create a complete table one by one, or whatever we can type at a time of our table creation, many rows, and press F5 and run the program. Automatically we'll get the output. That's it for the table creation for today. Thank you.